like this video. Okay, so to get started, you need a round wood, a glue stick, glue gun, painter tape. I was gonna do the knife for this, the Cricut knife, but I decided not to, so just avoid that. You need paper folder because we're gonna make paper flowers, paint, a paintbrush, some cardstock 65 weight, scissors, Cricut thin wood, and of course a mat. Okay, guys, and your Cricut machine. All right, let's get started. I just wanted to let you know that when I cut the wood, I used the regular deep point to cut that thin wood. Okay, guys? Now I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I make my tiny flowers. divided my flowers. Now I'm just arranging them on the wooden board to see where I like it. Also, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, I will send you a free link to my flowers with the sizes. Just comment below that you subscribed and let me know, and then we'll communicate and I can send you the free link to the flowers. Please, please subscribe. Thank you so much. If you guys want to see more cool videos, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.